good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Today we will having our math activities, which entitled If You Build It. So, are you ready to listen to the objectives and procedures about this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
So, please listen carefully. So, I will read to you the objectives of this game. The objective of If You Build It activity is to foster solving and communication skills among participants. This activity encourages participants to think creatively, communicate effectively, and collaborate with others to overcome challenges and achieve success. So, first, I am going to discuss to you the materials of this game. First, we have here a popsicle sticks. And then we have a marshmallow. And these cards. And a piece of match. So the procedures of this game is you can build anything you want using these materials that I am giving to you. And then the one who can build the tallest one will be the winner. So I am going to give you 15 to 20 minutes to finish this activity. So any questions or clarifications?
No.
Okay, you can start your activity now. Okay, class, you have 10 minutes left. Okay, class, hands up. So, as we can see, the one who has the tallest that we did. We have Alex. Let's clap some hands for Alex. So, I have some questions that serves as reflections in our activity. So, what have you learned in this activity? Yes, Alex.
I learned how to balance. This activity helps improve my critical thinking skills, also discover my creativity in this kind of activity.
Stop them. Alex, what have you learned in this activity?
In this activity, I learned that I can balance my Eiffel Tower.
Have Stephanie, what have you learned in this activity?
I learned in this activity how to balance and to be creative.
So, let's clap our hands all together.